Hi kids, this is your Anjali ma'am and today I am going to start English grammar and today I am going to teach you English grammar chapter number 1 and the name of the chapter is alphabetical order. So open your book. The name of the book is Wonders of English Grammar and Composition. So now I am going to start alphabetical order. The Hindi meaning of alphabetical order is one crumb. Today we will discuss about alphabetical order and in this lesson you will learn to put words in the same order as A, B and C. For this you need to know the order of English alphabets very well. So, this is the order of English alphabets. There are 26 letters in English language: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. So, this is the order of English alphabets. You can't say A, H, O, V. This is the wrong order. We always say A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H and we can't say B, I, P, J or V, W, O, R or Q, R. So, this is wrong order. The right order is A, B, C, D. So, let us have a look at English alphabets again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. The first letter of English alphabet is A. The second is B. The third is C. If I say the first letter of English alphabet B, so this is wrong because the first letter of English alphabet is A. So now let's have a look. Neha Gupta. The name is starting from N. Piyush Arora, Sameer Sharma and Ajay Jain. Again Neha Gupta, Piyush Arora, Sameer Sharma, Ajay Jain. All study in the same class. Their day begins with the teacher calling out their names from the register for the roll call. Can you guess how the teacher has arranged their names in the class register? So, write their names in the order that they will be called out. So, now I am going to start from Ajay Jain because this is the first letter A. So, I am going to start with Ajay Jain. Now, the second letter is, so this is A, now B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. So, the second name is Neha Gupta, N. Now, next is N, O, P. So, the third name is Piyush Arora. and the last one is Sameer Sharma. So, Ajay Jain A, Neha Gupta N, Piyush Arora P, and next is Sameer Sharma. It means S. So, these are alphabetical order. Now, next is, turn your page. Below are 6 sets of letters. यहाँ पर letters के 6 set बने हुए हैं. 3 or 4 of them are in alphabetical order and the others are not. इसमें से जो कुछ letters हैं वो alphabetical orders में हैं और बाकी नहीं हैं. तो 3-4 जो इसमें से हैं वो alphabetical orders में हैं. Tick the ones which are in alphabetical order. और जो alphabetical orders में है उनको आपको टिक करना है. Like first is D, G, J, N, R, T, Y. So, D, G, J, N, R, T, and the last is Y. So, this is right. This is an alphabetical order. Second is C, F, P, L, S, W and Q. So, C, F, P, L. No, this is not in alphabetical order. So, now we have to cross it. Okay. अब थर्ड देखेंगे. H, M, N, U, O, Q, X. So, H, M, N, U, O, Q, X. No, this is again not in alphabetical order. So, we have to cross it again. Next is F, K, O, S, U, W and Z. So, F, K, O, S, U, W and Z. Yes, this series is in alphabetical order. So, we have to. Next is B, E, I, N, R, S, W. So, B, E, I, N, R, S and W. A, C, E, J, K, T, R. So, A, C, E, J, K, T and R. So, we have to take the right mark. Next number C is put each group of words in the alphabetical order. So, now first is shrine, Gurudwara, mosque, church and temple. These all are the places of worship. Now, we have to put these words in the alphabetical order. First is I am going to start with S. No. G. No. M. C. Yes. Letter C will come first. So, we have to write church. Why? Because the letter C will come first. Now, after C, next is D, E, F, G, Yes, the second is Gurudwara. So GHIJKLM. So number 3 is mosque. MNOPQRS. Now next is shrine. Shrine. And the last one is temple. Okay. Now next is pencil, notebook, ballpoint, eraser and ruler. So I am going to start with notebook. No. Now the first letter B comes. So ballpoint. After B, C, D, E. So second is eraser. F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. It means notebook. N, O, P. It means pencil. And the next is ruler. We have to see the first letter of the word. Next is Ankur, Nikhil, Rahim, Peter, Vinay and Shankar. So the first letter is A. So A, it means Ankur. Next is B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Nikhil. O, P, it means Peter. Q, R, it means Rahim. R, S, it means Shankar. T, U, V, Vinay. Next is Mumbai, Patna, Agra, Delhi, Chennai and Hyderabad. So I am going to start with letter A. So where is letter A? A is here. So first is Agra. B, C, it means Chennai. D, Delhi. E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, Mumbai. N, O, P, Patna. And sorry. Now after Delhi, next is Hyderabad. H. And next is M, Mumbai. And the last is P, Patna. Next is banana, lemon, orange, pineapple, apple and mango. So I am going to start with A, letter A, alphabetical order. So apple. Next is banana. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, mango. O, lemon, L, mango, M, orange, O, M, N, O, and pineapple, P. Okay. Next is camel, zebra, giraffe, deer, tiger and lion. So first is, I am going to start with camel. Letter C will come first. So after camel, next is C, next is D, deer, E, F, G, giraffe, lion, tiger, and the last one is zebra. Now next is arrange the following words in the correct alphabetical order. Don't worry, if you don't know the meaning of the words, just arrange them alphabetically. Cheerfulness. What is the meaning of cheerfulness? Joyful. Ecstasy, it means bliss. Glee, it means delight or joy. Exhilaration, it means great happiness. Delight, it means pleasure. Pleasure, it means happiness. And next is contentment. Contentment, it means satisfaction. So we have to arrange them in alphabetical order. So first I am going to start with letter C. So cheerfulness. Now again C. So contentment. Number C is delight. After C. Number D is ecstasy. Number E is exhilaration. Number F is glee. Or number G is pleasure. So now we have arranged these words alphabetically. So now I hope you liked and you enjoyed. What you have to do? You have to do this work only in your notebook. Okay? No, only in your book, not in your notebook. So now, yes, first of all you have to write alphabets. So you have to write A to Z in your notebook. Okay? So I hope you liked and enjoyed it. Now it's time to go, but ma'am will come back very soon with another chapter. Okay? So I hope you will complete your homework and you will learn the chapter also. So take care and goodbye.